I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Hello. Welcome to our mukbang, where we will be eating the crab. You can't see it.
We'll just hold things up.
We're eating the Krabby Patty meal. I don't like tomato. Not when it's not garden fresh.
Ew.
What is this sauce? I'm so excited. I'm shaking.
This is the Krabby Patty.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for!
It's good. It just tastes like a regular burger.
Don't say that. I feel like that's a satisfactory length for a mukbang.
I think so too.
This is our UGC! This is our UGC! For breakfast stuff.
Wait.
This is our UGC. Period. The way that happened so naturally too, like we weren't even trying. Rate it out of 5 jellyfish.
Okay.
Or 5 Patrick stars!
Wait.
That's good.
I rate it 4, just because I don't like onions or pickles.
I rate it a 4 too, because I don't like onions and tomatoes.
Okay.
The fries are perfect.
Yeah, 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 for fries. This is really good so far. I'm excited to get down to this stuff down here. Cause I feel like that's gonna be a game changer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you hear that crunch? But anyway, make sure to hop on over to Wendy's to try the SpongeBob Krabby Patty combo. Available from October 8th to November... Was it 23rd?
I think, yeah.
Happy birthday, SpongeBob.
We love you, SpongeBob.